In this video, I'll show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and click on the search icon in the bottom left corner. Type update into the search box and then click check for updates. This will open your Windows update settings. If your PC is eligible for the Windows 11 upgrade, you may see an option to install it here. If not, look for a link on the right that says installing Windows 11 on eligible devices and click it. This will take you to Microsoft's instructions page. Before proceeding, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements by downloading and running the PC Health Check app, which is linked on that page. Once your device is verified, Windows will notify you through the update system when your upgrade is ready. You'll then be able to return to the update settings and install Windows 11 from there. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.